सो हम आप लोगों से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे जीके के।
कर सकते हैं?
नहीं।
Like, you're not smart enough.
It's Canberra. And the answer is ta-na-na-na. And your last question is so 1-1-1. That means all of them they deserve a chocolate. हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू गुड इंडिया। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि हमारा जो यूथ है वो कितना ज़्यादा वेल इन्फॉर्म्ड है। तो आज हम उनसे कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाले हैं और देखेंगे कि उन्हें उसका आंसर पता है या नहीं। तो चलिए, हम आप लोगों से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे जीके के एंड लेट्स सी कि हमारा यूथ कितना वेल इन्फॉर्म्ड है। आर यू रेडी? बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चंस हैं। ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज व्हाट कंट्री इज नोन एज लैंड ऑफ राइजिंग सन? Land of rising sun.
Norway.
Japan.
Australia?
Japan.
Japan? Okay.
I said Australia. I don't know.
You think it's Australia? What about you?
I think it's Norway.
Okay, so Japan, Australia, and Norway. And the right answer is Japan. All right, very nice. Okay, so our next question is what's the heaviest and biggest mammal?
Whale.
Whale. The blue whale.
Whale?
Whale. Blue whale.
Blue whale, absolutely. Very nice. And who is the artist of Starry Night?
Van Gogh. Vincent Van Gogh.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I am not. I don't know.
I don't know.
Leonardo da Vinci, Miro.
I know for sure.
Aristotle.
And it's absolutely
Vincent
Vincent Van Gogh. Very nice. And your last question is what's the capital of Australia?
Sydney. Oh, Melbourne. Melbourne, my bad.
What about you?
Melbourne.
Melbourne?
Melbourne.
Melbourne. Okay, it's Canberra. All right.
बिल्कुल लगा यार Melbourne.
And
Melbourne में स्टेडियम है बहुत बड़ा actually. शायद इसलिए.
हाँ, एक्चुअली मेलबर्न और सिडनी इतने फेमस है ना, कैनबेरा का किसी ने सुना नहीं है। सो दैट ऑल राइट, थैंक यू सो मच, इट वाज सो फन प्लेइंग विद यू गाइस, हैव अ गुड डे, बाय। ऑल राइट, तो हम आपसे कुछ फन क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे जीके के एंड इफ यू गेट 3 ऑफ देम करेक्ट यू गेट मैगी। Are you ready? Okay. So your first question is what country is known as the land of rising sun?
Japan. Japan.
Japan. What do you
Japan.
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 Are you sure it's Japan? And the answer is Japan. Perfect. All right. Your second question is who is the painter of Starry Night?
Options though.
Achha, your options are John Miro, Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, and Vincent Van Gogh.
Vincent Van Gogh.
Vincent Van Gogh. Yeah. It's correct. It's Vincent Van Gogh. ओके, जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है ना वो थोड़ा ट्रिकी होगा। ऐसी कौन सी 2 चीजें हैं जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट में नहीं खा सकते? 2 चीजें जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट में नहीं खा सकते।
जीके. Maggie. Fruits.
मैगी,
Fruits. No, fruits can be taken in morning, not at night. You can't take fruits at night. Not in
Wait,
the
I
morning
don't
you
think
can.
the answer is logical at all.
It's a riddle. It's a riddle.
It's a riddle, right? It's not a logical
ऐसी
answer.
कौन सी चीजें जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट में नहीं खा सकते?
It's a riddle. तो भाई riddles तो करी नहीं है बचपन के बाद.
Your answer is lunch and dinner.
Like, you're not smart enough, bro.
All right. And your last question is what's the capital of Australia?
Sydney.
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 Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah.
And your answer is Canberra.
Oh my god.
हाँ, बट द थिंग इज सिडनी इतना ज्यादा फेमस है ना तो सबको सिडनी या मेलबर्न लगता है। हमने जितने भी बच्चों से यहाँ पे पूछा सबने सिडनी एंड मेलबर्न ही बताया था। तो दोस्तों ऑस्ट्रेलिया की कैपिटल कैनबेरा है।
Okay.
ऑलराइट, सो योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द नेशनल फ्लावर ऑफ इंडिया?
Lotus.
Lotus.
Lotus, are you sure? That's right. So they get a point. Next is what's the capital of Australia? If you want, you can use your
Sydney.
mic.
Sydney.
Sydney. What about you? What's the capital of Australia?
Can we have options?
Okay, yeah, I can give you options. So we have Melbourne, Canberra, Sydney, and Alexandra. Sydney. So they said Sydney. It's actually wrong. It's Canberra. And your last question is, who is the author of Romeo and Juliet?
William Shakespeare.
William Shakespeare.
Shakespeare.
Yeah, that's correct. So it's William Shakespeare. So you answered 2 questions right, but you got 1. So your first question is कि कौन सी country को land of rising sun बोला जाता है? Land of rising sun.
Country.
हाँ. कौन सी country को land of rising sun बोला जाता है? Google कर सकते हैं? नहीं.
ChatGPT.
If you want, I can give you some options. Okay. Spain, Japan, Australia, and Korea.
Australia.
Okay, you think it's Australia? Okay, what about you?
Japan.
You think it's Japan?
Korea.
Korea. Okay, so she thinks it's Australia, she thinks it's Japan, and what about you? She thinks it's Korea. And the answer is ta-na-na-na, Japan. All right. So your next question is, कौन सा पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा mammal है? What's the biggest mammal in the world? Mammal. Whale? Whale? You think it's whale?
Whale.
Okay. What about you?
No idea. Be thinking.
I guess.
You think it's
Blue whale.
So she thinks it's blue whale. What about you? Whale. Okay. Still thinking. Okay. And the answer, do you want 1 minute? Just to give an answer. Okay. So your options are, like she said, blue whale, elephant, hippopotamus. Elephant. You think it's
Elephant.
And your answer is blue whale. So we have 1 and 1. Okay, girls, you're doing great job. And our last question is, what is the longest river in the world? सबसे बड़ी river, longest.
No idea.
No idea.
Nile.
Nile. Are you sure it's Nile?
Yeah.
Okay. And the answer is Nile. How did you know that?
All of us. know.
So 1, 1, 1. That means all of them, they deserve a chocolate. अब एमएडी के बच्चों का तो आईक्यू आपने चेक कर लिया और अब आपकी बारी है. तो हम आपके लिए क्वेश्चन लाए हैं और देखते हैं कि आप क्या आंसर देते हैं. तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है दोस्तों जो ऊपर जाती है पर कभी भी नीचे नहीं आती? थोड़ा सोचिए और हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूलें.